So till now we have completed some of the parts of the video, and now we have entered the next part. Okay, so now they have given you the equation like this. You know what you have to do. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to find out the x value of the x. Okay, you have to find out the value of x. For that, what you have to do, first you see whether the bases are same. Yes sir, all the bases are same. Okay, so what you are going to, simple, what till now what you did, the same thing you are going to do. Okay, so what you'll write 2. Okay, instead of these 2, so 3 into multiple, instead of multiple plus 2 equal to 2 to the power 2. So sir, why not plus x here? Here equal to sign is there, here equal to sign is there. Okay, here multiply sign is there, then you write plus x. If divide sign is there, minus x, but here having your equal to sign, so you will keep it individually. Okay, means there two are different. Okay, so now you solve this side, 5 equal to 2 to the power x. So after that, so now, so two bases are same, so remove the bases, so 5 equal to x. That much only, that much only sir. Okay, that much only. So you understood how to find out the value of x. Okay, whenever equal to is there, so you will omit that one. Okay, just like equal to is there, so after that and before that, so these two are two different terms. Okay, you understood what I'm trying to say. Next one. So there you go, this is the next question. Okay, so now in this case what do you have to do? Again we have to find out the value of x, and again you see whether bases are same. Yes sir, bases are same, bases same. Okay, let me see. So what we have to do? So again the same thing, so you will write 2. Okay, and minus 3, multiply means plus, here again minus 5. Okay, divide means minus. Okay, so again 6, because of divide, minus is there. Okay, equal to as it is, so equal to will write is individually. Okay, now solve this one. So 2 to the power how much? Minus 3 minus 5 minus 6 equal to 2 to the power x by 2. Okay, x by 2 is there. Okay, so now it will be minus minus plus, plus minus minus again. Okay, so you have to do subtraction, just like see minus. If you are having any calculation error, you just do like this, minus minus plus 8 minus, so you are left with minus 6. So minus 6, so again minus minus plus, so it will be how much? It will be 14, sign minus. So 2 to the power minus 14 equal to 2 to the power x by 2. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of x. So what you will do? Again the base is the same, so nothing is being left. See here you see, here nothing is being left, only for 2 to the power 14 is there, and 2 to the power x by 2 is there. No one is there, just like divide, multiply, anything else is there. So no, we have completely solved everything. We have multiplied, we have divided, everything we did, and now we came to the step where we doesn't have anything except the value, one value. Here also only one value is there. In that case, now you will do minus 14 is equal to x by 2. But if you are having here plus 2 plus 3 or into, so you have to solve that one first. Okay, directly you cannot do. Now x is equal to how much? So multiply, it will go that side. Okay, to how much? Minus 28 is the answer. It will go that side. Okay, that simple, very simple. Okay, so this is the next question. Okay, the same thing we have to do. Okay, now if you will see, again the equal to is there. Okay, you write equal to in the middle. Now same basis, write 2. 11 is the divide is 11, instead of divide minus 5. Clear? Okay, after that again you write 2, same basis, so minus 3 instead of multiple plus, the complete thing you have to write. Clear? Yes sir, it's clear. After that solve further. So it will be how much? It will be how much? It will be 6 equal to 2 to the power, so it will be minus. So these two are not like terms. First you have to find and identify which one is like terms. Okay, so obviously this one is, this one are like terms. Okay, so now place them together, minus 1 plus 2n. Okay, now after that 2 to the power 6 equal to 2 to the power minus 4 plus 2n. Now anything else is left? Sir, plus is there, you told plus is there, till the plus sign, multiply sign, divide sign is there, you have to do. But here there you see there are like terms or unlike terms. So they are unlike terms. How can we solve? So nothing is being left. So now we will do 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 2n. Okay, when everything is solved, what is the next step after that? So this will go this side, the 4 will go, so like terms together, 2n. So n is equal to how much? 5. Simple na? Yes sir. So it's simple. Okay, so if the question is like this, in this case what we did, we have to see whether the bases are same or not. If they are same, go on doing. But here if you will see, okay, the bases are not same. So what you have to do, you have to make the base same, otherwise the thing what we have to do will not work with that one. We know that how to do the bases same, 8. We know this one, right? Yes. So first you will write 2 to the power 3 as it is, instead of 8 what you will go? 2 to the power 3 again, 2 to the power x. So now again equal to is there. Okay, so it will be 3 plus 3, you know these all things. Okay sir, 6 is equal to power x, so x is equal to 6. Simple. 6 equal to x or x equal to 6, answer is right. Okay, so whenever the bases are not same, you have to make it same. The thing is that some of the conditions are there that you need to satisfy, then only you are going to get the answer. Okay, so next question is like this. So again you will see the bases are not same, so what we have to do, we have to make the bases same. So this is 3. So if you are doing the LCM for prime factorization for 3, you are going to get 3 only, so don't need to do. So write as it is. But when we do for 9, we are going to get 3 on 3. So 2 times we are getting 3. More or x is already there. X added instead of 9, I am getting this one. So now what I will do, you know this one, x plus 2. Now 3, 2 into x, 2x. So you will say multiply means plus only, no sir. But here written 2x, 2 plus x we have to write. See, this multiply is different. See, if you will write just like two bases are there, two different bases are there, just like 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power x. Then you will write 3 to the power 2 plus x. Okay, but here we know this law already I told you. Okay, this law already I told you. So bases, the powers will be multiplied. Okay, so you're going to get 2x. Okay, the next one. So after that bases are same. So now it will be x plus 2 is equal to 2x. Now 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. Like terms, 2x is equal to x. So x value is 2. Simple. Yes sir, it's very simple. Okay, so you have to follow some what conditions. The bases should be same. Okay, there should not be any other number on the top of this one, just like x plus 2 is there. There are two different like terms. So after that we cannot do anything. Now we will do like this. But till the time we have the values, it can be solved. You have to do. These are some of the conditions which you need to satisfy. If it is satisfied, then you directly do the sum. Okay, let's go. We'll see some more sums. So this is the question. Okay, so if you'll see, the bases are same. 9 is there on both the side, on the left hand side as well on the right hand side. Okay, but we have the 240 value also. Okay, so what to do? So simple, we'll do prime factorization. If the bases are not same, you will do the prime factorization. We know how to do the prime factorization, right? There are two methods by which we can solve this one. So first we'll do the method which we are continuing. Okay, because we'll try to follow one method only. Okay, otherwise we will get confused. Okay, so we did prime factorization. So these are the things we are going to get. Okay, so instead of this one as it is, you write. So instead of 240, we are going to write 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5 plus 9 to the power x. Okay, now anything similar we can find? Yes sir, the two similar things. Okay, 9 to the power x plus 2 on the left hand side and 9 to the power x on the right hand side. So, and anything else is there? No sir, nothing else is there, because these two seems to be similar. Okay, like them, so we can keep them together to solve the sum. Okay, so we are getting a bit confused. Okay, do one thing, just pause this one. Okay, I will give you one more sum. First you do that sum and then come to this sum. Can you solve this one? Yes sir, we can solve this one. Okay, solve and see. Okay, so okay, 9 is there. So what I will do, sir, 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power x. Okay, after that what do you have to do? So after the simple, as the bases all are the same, so what do you have to do? 3 to the power 2x equal to 3 to the power 2 plus x. Okay, as I told you, the time up to where you have multiply, divide, you have to solve. Now no multiply, no divide, only plus is there, but two different variables. Okay, so 2x is equal to 2 plus x. We will get the answer from here. So what is the difference in this one? We can do this one. Wait, I'm coming to there only. Do the next sum. Let me see. Now you tell me what is the answer. Okay, now you tell me what is the answer. Okay, so we'll do. Okay, so as you told us, sir, when the bases are not same, try to make it the base same. So we'll take out the prime factorization of 10. So what are you going to get? So 2 and 5. Okay, so we are going to get 2 and 5. So 2 is there and 5 is there. That much only we are going to get when you're doing the prime factorization for 10. Yes sir. Now after that, so bases are now also they are not same. So what you do, sir, we can see in the left hand side there is 3, there is a base and power is 2x, and the right hand side there is also 3, but the power is x. Okay, so in this case, sir, what we will do, we will keep the like terms together. You have to keep the like terms together. Okay, so then means 3 power x, this 3 power x is there, so it will go on the left hand side. Yes sir, it will go on the left hand side, but how it will go, where it will go? Sir, you see whether it will be divided, multiply, plus, minus. What before there's a multiply sign is there, so what you will go divide. So means you're trying to say like this, 3 to the power 2x by 3 to the power x. Yes, and you are left with like this only, because the bases are not same, so you'll keep as it is, they are not similar. Okay, now divide means what you have to do. So we know this one, so bases are sum and divide is there, so 2 into 5, so it will be 3 to the power x is equal to 10. 3 to the power x is equal to 10. So what will the x value? 3 to the power x is equal to 10 is there, so what will the x value? So after that we can't solve. Why? because left hand side 3 to the power x is there and the right side 10 is there. So bases are not same. So how to find out? To find x value is very difficult. It's not possible. To find out the x value is not possible in this case. You understand what I'm trying to say? So when it is possible, it is not possible. This one you have to understand. Not like that, just go on doing. You understood this example? It's not possible to do. Why? Because we are in the left hand side we are having 3 to the power x, where in the right hand side only 10 is there. But here we understood that there were two different when we have two different variables, means it doesn't have the bases same. Then in that case, what do we have to do? We have to arrange them. Okay, we have to arrange them just like this. The 3 to the power x came here also, where 3 to the power x was there. Okay, this thing we have understood, and from here we have also understood that when the bases in the last case, in the last step, here you see 3 to the power x is not there. On the right hand side we doesn't have any factors of 3, so it's not possible to solve further. So to solve this sum is not possible. Okay, now you see this one. Now you have to solve this one. If you have solved this one, means you have understood the concept. So those who understood the concept, so pause the video and try to do the sum, because I am also going to do the sum and check whether the answer is right or wrong. If the answer is wrong, why it is wrong, you can also cross that one. Okay, so pause the video and solve the sum. Let me see what you will do. Again, sir, the basis is not same, so 80 is there. So you see, we will do the prime factorization, we know that one. Okay, so after prime factorization of 80, we are going to get this one. So what is the use? We doesn't have anything. 2 to the power 5 is there and 5 is there. 2 to the power 4 is there and 5 we have. But it is of no use. Why? Because 3 base we should have in the form of 3 and 3. We doesn't have this. Then also we will write what is the harm in that one. Because our sir told us to do prime factorization. We will do prime factorization. We follow that method. Okay. So 2x plus 2 equal to, instead of this one you write instead of 80. Okay, plus 3 to the power 2x. Okay, after that what do you have to do? Sir, after that, as you told us, okay, to arrange them. Okay, so if you'll see this one, this is form of, okay, like this. Here also same, they are similar, look like similar. Okay, so we have to keep together. So it will come this one, it will having plus, so it will become minus. Okay, 2x plus 2 minus 3 to the power 2x is equal to, you are left with, what you are left with, you will write like this. Yes sir, written sir. After that what you have to do? After that what you have to do? You see again. So now you break this one. We have to break this one. We don't know what is this one. So you have to break this one to 2x into 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 5. Yes sir. After that what do you have to do? Now here comes the stage where we are going to discuss one more new thing. Okay, one more new thing we are going to discuss. So you have to understand this thing also. Okay, so now if you will see nicely, there is a, what we say, common. You see 3 to the power 2x here is there, here also we have is there. Okay, so in both the cases we have 3 to the power 2x. So what is the so we used to have like this many times. What is the difference in that one? You see the difference what I am trying to say? It's a minus sign. See, remember one thing, whenever minus is there, plus is between the numbers or anything, so this says that we two are different. You cannot call us collectively, means we cannot call us together. We are different, we are individual. We count as individual only. Okay, so now sir, multiply means, so if you have multiply and divide, so they are together. If 10 numbers are there, multiply sign is there, they are together. If 20 numbers are there, multiply divide is there, they are together. But whenever minus is there, plus is there, they are individual. So write anywhere. So whenever we have the operator, means minus, plus, divide, multiply, they are operators. Okay, they are just like do operations, no? So just multiplication, division, that's are operators. Okay, so whenever minus and plus is there, so this says that they are individual, so they should be counted individually. But whenever multiply and divide is there, so they are together. Okay, so now what is the difference in this one? So we have multiply here, so they are together. Okay, here minus, they are individual. Okay, so now what you have to do here 2x, so we will take common. Okay, in both the cases these two are different. This is first case, this second one, so they are two are different. So what is this one? The common, so 3 over 2x is common is there. So now in this one you have taken 3 over 2x, what is left? So 3 is only left, 3 over 2, so means 9, minus here what is this? Nothing is there, means 1, equal to 2 to the power 4 into 5. Yes sir. After that what you have to do? After that, okay, so after that there was no space, that's why I am just writing over here. Okay, so now, so we have 3 to the power 2x is there, 9 minus 1 is there, equal to 2 to the power 4 into 5. This one we are having. So this one we are having. Okay, now after that 3 to the power 2x we will have, so 9 minus 1 8 equal to 2 to the power 4 into 5. So what you have to find out now? Now again the difference is there in the bases. So what you do again, but we will see that this is similar to this one, they are like terms, this is different, so you write differently. Multiply is the together, so you will go this side, divide 2 to the power 4 into 5 by 8. Okay, now 3 to the power 2x is there. Now solve this one. So how to solve? 2 to the power 4. 8 means what? Again prime factorization, huh? So it will be 2 to the power 3. Solve this one. How much you are going to get? Solve that one. What you are going to get? See. Okay. So after that, 3 to the power 2x equal to, now solve. So 3, 4. So 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 5. So 3 to the power 2x is equal to 2 is there and 5 is there. So 3 to the power 2x is equal to, how much you are going to get? So we are going to get 3 to the power 2x is equal to 10. So after that, after this also not possible to solve. Okay, after this also not possible to solve. Is it possible to solve? No, sir, it's not possible to solve. Then what you have to do? You leave right over here. It's not possible to solve. But see, the main motive is to explain you out that how we can solve this type of sums. Okay, so here what we have learned that how to do this thing. Okay, the pairing is there, when multiply sign is there, what you have to do, and whenever the two similar things are there, one what we have to do, we have taken out the common. Okay, we have taken out the common. Okay, these all things I have explained you. Okay, so now after that, here see what the values are there, how it is being left with 8 we have left. Okay, after that how we have taken this common one. Okay, how we have multiplied. Okay, these all things I'm just trying to explain you out. The main motive is not to get the answer. Okay, see here answer also we are not going to get. Why? Because here 3 to the power 2x is there and here 10 is there, so it doesn't have any same, what the bases are not same and the coefficient is also not same. So what we have to do? So it's not possible to solve the sum, but here we have understood that. Okay, so how do we use these terms? Okay, how to solve this one, particularly this one, this power one, you know this one, right? And how to keep them together, this circled one, how to keep them together, and how to take the common in this part. Okay, these all things we have understood. So our main motive is not to get the answer, to understand how to do the sums. Okay.